It's now time to welcome our guest dignitaries present here. And to do the honors, I would first request our founder and CEO, Time to Grow Media, Mr. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲, to please step onto the stage. I would also request Dr. 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝗲𝗃, co-founder and vice president, to please join us here on stage. I would now request Mr. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 and Ms. 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹𝗲 to please accord the floral welcome to our esteemed dignitaries. I request Professor 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲, Chairman, Telangana State Council of Higher Education, to please step forward to receive the floral bouquet. Sir, please be seated on stage. I request Srimati B. 𝗿𝗿 Joint Director, 𝗍𝗏 𝗟𝗏, to please join us here on stage. We welcome you, ma'am. I request Shri Shantanu Gupta, founder, Ramayana School, to please step forward. Yes, Shri Shantanu Gupta, founder, Ramayana School. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here today at the 16th Education Summit. I request Shri Shekhar Rao, President, 𝗟𝗏𝗲, to please step forward. Yes, I request Shri 𝗟𝗏𝗲𝗃 Singh, founder and mission commander, Homi Lab, and former advisor to the 11th President of India, Dr. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲𝗃, to please step forward. I would also request Shri Phanendra Kumar Jangam, Vice President, Partnerships, Homi Lab, is also an external consultant, education strategist, social initiator, people's manager. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here, and we welcome you